Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
The Smart Brush tools let you apply a wide range of effects selectively by brushing across your image. There are 50 preset effects from which to choose for adjusting color and tone, creating effects, and touching up details. These effects include lipstick, suntan, cloud contrast, infrared, impressionist, several color tints, film negative, fluorescent glow, and bright eyes. These effects are applied non-destructively by using adjustment layers and masks. The regular mode of the Smart Brush tries to make an automatic selection by using edge detection, much like the Quick Selection tool. The Detail Smart Brush lets you paint the adjustment onto the image, giving you more control over the selection. To use the Smart Brush tools, select one from the toolbox and, if necessary, the Tool Options bar. In the Tool Options bar, you are given choices to create a new selection or add to or subtract from a current selection. Click the corresponding button to make your choice. You can also change your brush settings or select the inverse of the effect you wish to apply. Use the Presets drop-down to select the effect to apply. Then click and drag with your brush to make your selection.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.